currently burned down in the area of Jonestown, and Good Morning has the report.
Yes, good afternoon. Again, good morning. Sorry. My name is Good Morning. And as you all know, this is the Rigmaroma News, and we're coming to you live from last night fire where this tragic incident take place. And as you all can see behind me, it is burnt to ash. Now, I'm standing next to a witness who saw what happened. Now, sir, can you tell us what happened, please?
Yeah, I tell you, I come in and so come see fire go on. You see me, I wonder how come. A long time we are there and see the fire, I will call fire brigade. Could have come save the man one at stove. You see me? All the man bed, burn up everything.
So did you try to put out the blaze?
Yeah, me and my friend them there, man, and we are throw water everything. The water, it now out, the fire now out. A long time fire brigade did for come, and we are wonder what go on.
How long them did for come?
Boy, me I tell you, a long time the fire there burn down the house, you know. About 15 minutes so. Me I wonder how them take so long. You see me? Yeah, as I can see, look on all the house, watch it.
Can we go and take a tour of the
Yeah, man, come in, man. Tell them burn down the house, everything, man. I say I couldn't believe. Watch it. Watch it, so me I show you.
Come catch around here, sir. Okay. Oh yes. We heard that the victim is here on the outside. Now we are going to go to hear what the victim have to say about this tragic incident.
Yeah, he's around here, so.
Where is she?
Come and show you. Here's the victim.
Good afternoon, sir. I can feel it right now that you're homeless, maybe jobless, but I am totally sorry. For me and my friends at the Rigmaroma News Center, what really happened? What do you have to say about this tragic incident?
Yo, you know, right now, Bex, you know, Bex.
So am I.
Right now, JPS, cause all of this, you know, mouse button, you know. That used to run bridge light and all them things there, you know. And from the man them come back, come change up the thing, you know. Right away, you checked out. I can't go me off your light all the night time, you know. You see me? Me say it will flash, you know. At 10 gallon low me get, you know, every week, you know, for my pay, you know. Alright, you know, me have to buy my Gucci, everything out there, you know, and buy my Prada, my look good and update for the girls, them and all them things, you know.
But I think you should put aside some of that money for the bills and so forth.
You're mad and flossing for what? You're mad.
How we are talking about put aside?
You're Wallace.
Me say, I come in last night, drunk and everything, sit there and see back of the empty. I'm going to take some ready for the play football now. I like my girl make a bad pass and just lick over the can and for that a big thing to start me to me no start. Right now, remember, thank God for them there help me out, you know, yo. I try to know, you know.
And once burn up me get around this stuff.
So how soon do you think you can recover from this tragic incident?
Or soon, in the next 24 hours, we want justice. That me I tell you.
Justice,
yeah, man, we want justice in a this. See him where so.
Biggs, you have something to say, sir?
I want more than justice. I want some food. You want to go on. Portia, just deal with that thing for me because you know what I go on. So you want to go and fix back the man house. JPS, you need to deal with this.
Yeah,
the man for flash.
Right away.
And live. We want justice. We want justice. And food.
Justice and food. How food come into this picture? Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to contact the MP to see if he can donate something for you. Maybe one of those beds you get from the hospital. No.
So you not got it.
Coming to you live from the Rigmaroma News Center. I'm Good Morning, and we're on location where this house was burned down yesterday. And them really want justice, yeah? So give them it, yeah? Justice them on. Give them.
You still there?
In other news, a child was fatally hit down in a hit-and-run accident, and Good Morning has the news.
Yes, good morning. My name is Good Morning, reporting to you live from the Rigmaroma News. Today there was an incident where a 7-year-old of the Balma G Primary School was hit down on this very same main road, goes by the name of Sailing News Road. I don't know what happened, and we weren't here on the location, but unknown assailant was on the location where she saw everything, and she is from a different country. Now, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
What is your name, please?
My name is Chekebu.
J.K. Book.
Yes, my name is Chekebu.
Okay, can you give us a discussion of what take place today?
Hey, I was there now, and I was crossing the little boy across the road. They come a car, chaka chaka chaka, speeding up. He was speeding up now. I had the little boy handing me, and he was there with me, and I was trying to cross the road now. You did see. And then the car kept coming out of nowhere. It came out of nowhere. Nowhere. And did you see it? He was coming very, very fast. And he hit the little boy, oh. He was spinning, over in the air. I said, hey, he go die, oh. He did die. Jesus. And they pray. Hey, hold on. Hello. Where I come from? I can't talk. Did you buy something them? Yeah. By Mr. Ibu. By Mama Princess. And by Save the Last Dance. I 1, 2, and 3. Because I see them body now. Yeah. I can keep. Yeah, I think for me tonight, man. Yeah, man. Alright. That was it, Chief. They go call me to marry his son.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Reporting to you live. My name is Good Morning again, and from the Rigmarogma News, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Next on the news is the Days of Carter's life. This is very exclusive, and Good Morning is live on the location.
Yes, I'm coming to you live again from the Rigmarogma News Center. Now, what you are going to see here and what you're going to saw here, it cannot be unleashed to the public. Now, I can't even show the gate. I can't even tell you where I'm at. I can't even show a number. I can't even show an address. I can't even show the sky. Now, I'm going to take you around the corner, and what you're going to see is the lizard for the Vybz cartel trials in other case. Let's go. Yes, come on, Mr. P. Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon. My name is Mr. Good Morning. Coming to you live from the Rigmarogma News Center.
The Rigmarogma?
The Rigmarogma News Center, sir.
Okay. Bless up.
See. So I heard that we have something here hiding. Can you say what?
Well, you don't know, you know. The world famous lizard, him there still, you see it, and it's like, him talk to me, and him gonna say, yo, right now, him can't take the pressure what go on him right now, because he what go on now. People in the street are calling him name for about 2 years straight, and it's like the man say, me take a vacation, and when him come back, he may say, yo, people are fine because they don't know him make the boss in a jail and things.
Okay, so that's enough. Can you escort him? Can you take us to him?
Hold on, now, me done. You move to a spade, me done. Me educate you the boss there. Right now, his mindset kind of different now. Because at the first one I go see him, enough people don't know what him look like. You see me I say? And basically, forward doing I'm show you what I want. Because he kind of don't want to really talk to me about one of the first person I see him. You see?
Can we do this quickly, please, so we can wrap up and leave?
Alright, come. Come. You have to watch your step too, yeah?
Good afternoon, sir.
You know, my camera crew, I can't come see. You see? Oh, go on. Yeah, man, I carry them come, man. Yeah, man, the boss there.
Who's the boss? You's the boss?
Oh, I tell you, sir, the boss now stay one place some morning. The boss stay up and down, you see? Boss stay all boat, all a climb tree.
Boss, climb the tree?
Yeah, man. I saw him move and I tell you the thing get to him, man. Him take it to heart.
Yeah.
You see? But I think him don't know where him there.
See the boss?
You see him there? See him there?
Wait,
See him there?
Just Mr. Lizard. Well, trust me, It's a very hard task to do, ain't it? Well, of course, you know, you seen him. You know he's not dead. He's alive. And that was he. This is Good Morning, reporting to you live from Rigmarogma News Center. Back to you.
And this is the ending of the Rigmarogma News at 7. I'm Shanika Crossgill. Have a pleasant night.
Yes, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. My name is Good Morning. We're coming to you live on this set from the Rigmarogma News Center. Yes, good afternoon again. My name is Good Morning. Good morning to you too. Reporting to you live from the Rigmarogma News. I am on set now where
I'm Shani Crosshill and this is Rigmarogma. Rigna! I'm Shani Crosshill and next on the news, the cartel's Days of Our Lives. And